my lungs. I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Nice. A big blocker. Good morning, my beautiful people. Yeah, we are here once more again. Another day of spearfishing adventure. Yeah, so we are out here this morning. Me and Captain Spear. Yeah, man, already get himself gears up already. Sit down out. So we just wait for a little sunshine over on the east side there, you know. Beautiful peeps. So we are about to go out in the water now, you know. Well, me not really get ready yet, you know. Me just have on my inner clothes, so me just go right ahead now and put on my suit, you know what I mean, and see if we can head out there in the water, go see if we find some lovely fish this morning, like always. Yeah, and I want to say enough respect to you guys for the love and the support that you guys have been showing us, you know what I mean. Yeah, man, really grateful. Yeah, so we have to say enough respect every time once more again. Yeah, man, and just keep on like up the video, them share, and always remember to leave a comment, guys, you know. Yeah, man, so we just go head out into the water here now, you know what I mean. So see you when we forward in back with the catch. Yeah, man, because you know most definitely we have to show you guys what we caught, you know what I mean. Yeah, man. beautiful peeps. Yeah man, another spearfishing adventure has just complete at Spearfishing with Oden. And like I said this morning, it was just only me and Captain Spear who take on the journey this morning, you know what I mean? Yes, my peeps. So we just forward to come back out of the water and thing. And today was a lovely day for me. You know what I mean? Not the best, but today is just a day where I get to understand myself and how good me be, you know, as a spear fisherman, you know what I mean? Yeah, well, I'm not going to get into that why I say so, but, you know, just explain to you guys. So, yes guys, so cut it short, you know, and just go over, you know, and make you see what I actually catch today, you know. Yeah, I catch some lovely barracuda and I want rock and same, you know what I mean? Peeps, so this is I catch, you know, this is my catch for the day. So that is the rock kind, you know, same species as the amulets, you know, and the butterfish or the June fish, the gullet grouper, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah man, so that is my catch for the day, you know. So we just have to go right to Eddie and now waste some time, I'm gonna get them clean up and things, especially the rock kind, because you know when them scale dry on them I want another piece of work that we go clean them up, so just have to go right there and get that done.
Like get something there.
This one now your stuff all this now, you know, you see shine on them.
Yeah.
Just lock him up in that bit so I can't see the same way. Stuff him with a cabbage or callaloo or any something
broccoli
and there, something there. And cover him up in the pan and put him in the oven. Oh God, man.
Oven?
Oh, yes, or even outside on the fire. You know, there's only a shine pan when they sell, man.
Yeah, man, we have them, man. We have them, man.
Yeah.
Right now, one the pan cooking.
Yeah, my peep, so get him clean up, you know. I know yet if I go out and catch and sell with him right on the beach, you know, but we just get him clean up, you know.
This morning, I have to go carry my spray pipe. You don't know how many spray pipe them just go. Nah, use it. You can know you're breaking off.
Yes, my peeps, so finally Captain Spear done scale him off, so I'm clean out inside him, you know. You have to take him time, you know, because the gill is very sharp, you know.
Same family
cut up your fingers, you know.
Gill sharp like a razor.
Yeah man, so I just did this get the barra clean up, but stop for a minute and I get some clippings for Captain Spear go on with, you know. Yeah.
You're fat, this is?
Is it fun?
You're fat now.
Peeps, so finally done with it now, you know. Well clean up. Yeah man, so we just get the bone them fine, you know, because it can be very dangerous.
I want split it for you.
Yeah.
So we are going to one catch and sell, so two general sweet.
And you can't put all the like season down in them.
Captain has split him, so you know, so you can marinate and soak properly when time go roast him, you know?
Hey, we're gonna have a ball today, boy.
Yeah, man. Go ahead. One catch and sell right on the beach, freshly caught rock kind.
Oh, take out thing here for me.
Yeah man, so general and him son there, so I hold off that one, so them want him to do for roast, you know. Yeah, man. Need pretty.
Meet up pretty man.
Yeah, man. Catch and sell this up.
Amigo cheap.
You can't hold him up much more.
Fish head, can I hold
Yeah,
him,
man.
Nice fish.
Love all fish head.
So I got turn back with, turn over back with,
Chief, take care of yourself.
yeah, man, bless up. Pay attention to the barracuda, them and our guys, you know.
Right, before I come in.
Done. You're not be dead, man.
Fuck up a blood though. Throw it down with the
Yes, the breeds.
I want to go. This man you want to call it, tell him about spicy. Everybody did say paint bad picture on barracuda.
When I say bird, them pies, listen.
And you see now, what did they talk about? Snap on this and all the toenail them drop out. Big blood now. They come here and bleed down. When you get a good shot off of them, and you find them knock out and bleed down, then you bleed out. And you clean them and start bleed. And you clean them, the blood start.
Store inside.
You call it eternal bleeding.
Give my eternal bleeding. Yes, guys, so done clean up and up, just wash them off, you know.
Wash them up, you know.
Hang them up by the fish tree.
Yeah. You get them wash up.
Yeah, man, freshly caught, you know.
Yes, man. Well fresh.
Freshly caught.
We are dealing with now from the sea to the pot.
Yeah, man, right, that's how we there.
Yes, man.
So that's pretty much it for the cleanup part of this video, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm gonna say thanks a lot for the love and the support that I have been receiving from each and every one of you from the start up until now, guys. I really appreciate it, I must say. It's an honor, it's an awesome feelings, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so first I ask you guys to just continue to show your love and support towards spearfishing with Odin, you know what I mean? Yeah, my peeps. So until then, we will buck up over in our next, but I say more epic content, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, peace out. God be with you. Yeah, man, show out your life journey. Bless.